Hello students, I have two clocks. So how many numbers in this clock? Yes, it's up to 12. And in this clock, do you know? No. Why? Because these numbers are not matching to our Hindu-Arabic number. And these are Roman numbers. So students, today we will discuss about Roman number system. So students, to understand Roman number system, firstly we have to understand 7 standard symbol of Roman number system. So those numbers are I, V, X, L, C, D, M. By using these numbers, we will make another number. So we will learn what's the value these number in our Hindu-Arabic number system. So in Hindu-Arabic system, I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500, M stands for 1000. So firstly, we will use first 3 numbers and we will make another number up to 12. To write 1 to 12 Roman number, firstly we use first 3 standard symbol of Roman system. As we know, I is equal to 1, 5 is equal to V, X is equal to 10. To make 2, we can repeat I 2 times. And to write 3, we can repeat I 3 times. But we can't repeat I more than 3. To write 4, we subtract 1 from 5 and obtain 4. So we write subtractor number 1 on the left side of greater value. And to write 6, we add 1 on the right side of greater value. To write 7, we add 2 on the right side of greater value. As we know, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. We added 3 on the right side and obtained 8. To write 9, we subtract 1 from 10 and obtain 9. And subtractor number we always write on the left side of greater value. To write 11, we write on the right side of greater value. To write 12, we write 2 on the right side of greater value. So students, as we learn 1 to 12 Roman numbers, so you have to revise in your homework by using the heading Roman number system, and you have to write on your notebook on the left side Hindu Arabic number and on the right side Roman number, and you have to write Hindu Arabic number up to 12 as we take example 1, 2, 3, and you have to convert these number into Roman number system, and you have to do it up to 12. And on your notebook you have to write as it. In your homework you have to write in neat and clean writing, and there are 3 examples of Roman number. You have to continue it up to 12 and revise it. In your homework, you have to write on the next page 7 standard symbol and revise it and understand the values of these numbers in Hindu Arabic numbers. So students, there is an activity in Roman number system for you in your homework. For this activity, you have to use matchsticks. By using matchsticks, you can make symbols of Roman number system, as like I stands for 1, V stands for 5, and X stands for 10. For this activity, you can use colorful chart and make a symbols. for this activity, you can also use ice cream sticks. By using these things, you can make symbol, and after making, you can paste these symbols in your notebooks or chart or drawing sheets.